So with all these attempts, I'm not going to consider it a failure. It's just something that it takes too much time for me that I will be neglecting everything else on the homestead. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and mow it, harvest whatever I can collect, and just throw it to the chicken. They do whatever they want of it. If they don't want it, then it will be a bedding for the run, or whatever. But they will pick on it, and they will get the seeds, and they will eat it, and it will be organic feed for them. This is a test run to give the chickens the wheat without doing anything to it. As you can see, they are kind of hesitant uh, to pick on it. So we'll see how we'll go, if we can feed them this or it's a bad idea. So it looks like they are start to investigate and it might end up to be good thing for them. We'll see. So this is the second time I give the chicken this wheat that was harvested but not done anything to it. If you watch the video, I give up on processing and separating the wheat berries, and I decided to give it to the chicken. First time they were hesitant, and now they know what's in it, and they finding it. They're getting to the seeds and they're eating it. They are very enjoying this.